What was your situation before working with us?
Bad, all bad. Our situation was a highly outdated website design and backend. It needed a complete overhaul with its design, with its functionality, working with outdated themes and plugins, and getting a new website was paramount as a goal for us.
And what is your situation now, and what results have you seen?
So with our new website, it was honestly more than I had originally expected. Not only did we get the design and the functionality that we had hoped for, but we also got some extras that we really didn't ask for, and that was mainly through Jen's guidance and direction regarding suggestions that she thought our website would need. This included details related to accessibility, details including privacy policy as well, things that we really didn't go into knowing that we needed. And so it's helpful to have Jen with us, guiding us along through the process. And as smart as we were also naive in some areas. So Jen brought the wisdom and knowledge and education that we needed to help us. And I really did feel like we were students in a way, and she does have a teaching heart, which was really great. Since we've rolled it out, which hasn't been too long, we have already had for our SaaS product multiple requests for demos of our product. And through the design, they were able to get those demos booked right away directly from the site. And more than likely, that'll end up closing those, and those sales will be a part of our long-term revenue.
What was your biggest concern regarding websites and web development prior to working with us?
Even though we are a web application software company ourselves, it was a little bit intimidating working with someone else that has a unique skill set because we thought we might know it all. So the reservation was, even beginning this process, was that the mystery of having to learn something new that we don't know. And so removing that fear and embracing the possibility that as professional we are in one area, we know that we're not professional web developers, and that was a big deal for us.
And then finally, what would you say to someone who's on the fence about whether or not they should work with us?
The really great thing about working with Jen is that she really does kind of meet you where you're at as far as in context of your current understanding. I think the level of detail that she brings is profound. The breaking the project up into phases, each with measurable outcomes and milestones, was really helpful for us. The timeline that we put together was articulated and met with precision. Any delays we had were agreed upon delays, and usually they were typically on our end. We never had any delays on Jen's end, and the communication was high all the way around, and professionalism and expertise. So it was more than we could ask for.